Go on, I'm going to start walking, so...
Right, so stop it.
No, just leave it plain, it's fine, all right? Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct at MK Sportscars. We are at a rather sunny but windy Snetterton Race Circuit in Norfolk. We're here with the 750 Motor Club with the MK Cup 200. It's round 4 of the championship. We've got it all to play for. There's 2 more rounds left in the season. Let's see how the first race goes.
Red lights are on, lights go out, and it's a stall or a very sluggish start from Paul Rogers. A much poorer start from Yarrow, also slow is Clint Newman. They're going either side of him.
And the quickest of the MKs was through some of the rear engine cars.
And
so quickly.
Cluj was going for the lead into Ritchie's. Of course, he had to get around Rogers, so the grid is...
To get it out of the corner cleanly and not just career straight on across the track.
9th is Richard Webb. He's the car with 5th or 6th on the grid as well. So the pace not particularly fast of Cole Alaban in his MK. They're side by side as they go a bit further up the order. They're side by side. Richard Webb, he's still battling for 9th position with Phil Hutchings. Hacker thing, we're going to get a safety car which isn't going to beat the leaders, is it, across the line? Which is all a bit dicey. And I think they've realised what's happening, so that's quite good driving actually by Dan. Get it? Yes, he can. He's already 3rd. Has he got enough time perhaps to chase the top 2? Because he has been a lot quicker in the few laps we've had, Marcus.
Yeah, absolutely. And Ryan Yarrow is so determined from P12 on the grid. And as they feed round into this sort of inner loop, we'll pick him up again. There's
Ryan Yarrow to take 2nd, but it was Dan Cluj who won for the 3rd time this season. Dan Gordon.
Join us in Parc Ferme for the highlights of race 2.
And the red lights will come on now, and once they go out, racing will get underway for the Absolute Alignment Sports 1000 Championship. This time Ryan Yarrow doesn't make as good of a start as yesterday, but it's still all right to be alongside Dan Gore on the run up towards Ritchie's corner. Richard Webb's made massive progress in his MK, but for the lead, Gore trying to go with Yarrow. Cutmore is 30, somebody way over the curbs, and 34 is off, which is Stephen Dean. He's come off a bit further back on the left hand of the sports car. Able to get down the straight quicker. There's not much aerodynamics.
a second.
Lewis Ward, I think, is about to lose another spot, but back to this battle at the front with Cole Austin is joining in on now. And a big dive up the inside from Clint Newman. That didn't work. And now he's involved in an incident because he tries to rejoin. Paul Rogers alongside and they're still making contact.
And Rogers in the wall.
Race leaders have come up across the line. Ryan Yarrow set up the fastest lap at 2 minutes .97, so he extends his lead out to over 3 seconds. Here's Cutmore in 2nd. By side as they come up towards the line, it's going to be a dead heat finish, I think. Watson gets it by a nose, so David Watson takes the Cup 200 win, and it's classified as 100th of a second between the two of them, so a good comeback there from Dave Watson. So that was a pretty good effort there. But Ryan Yarrow is sort of back where he was a few years ago, Mark. He's dominating.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was close racing, and that's what the Cup 200 series is all about.